This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 12:54 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southeast Wisconsin, including Milwaukee, Waukesha, and Jefferson. Rest of tonight, mostly cloudy. Isolated snow showers late in the evening. Lows in the lower 20s. Southwest wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 20%. Wednesday, sunny. Highs around 40. South wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows around 30. Southwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Southwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Friday night, partly cloudy through around midnight. Then mostly cloudy with chance of light snow and slight chance of light rain after midnight. Lows in the lower 30s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Saturday, rain and light snow likely in the morning. Then rain likely in the afternoon. Highs around 40. Chance of precipitation 70%. Saturday night, cloudy. Chance of light rain through around midnight. Then chance of light rain and light snow after midnight. Lows in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of light snow and light rain. Highs in the upper 30s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of light snow. Lows in the upper 20s. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows in the upper 20s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of light rain and light snow. Highs in the mid-30s. Again, the forecast for southeast Wisconsin, including Milwaukee, Waukesha, and Jefferson. For rest of tonight, mostly cloudy. Isolated snow showers late in the evening. Lows in the lower 20s. Southwest wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 20%. Here is the nearshore marine forecast. Gale watch in effect from Wednesday afternoon through Thursday afternoon. Rest of tonight. Southwest wind 15 to 20 knots easing to 10 to 15 knots early in the morning. Scattered flurries late in the evening. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Wednesday, southwest wind 10 to 15 knots becoming south 15 to 25 knots. Sunny. Waves 1 to 2 feet building to 2 to 4 feet in the afternoon. Wednesday night, southwest wind 20 to 25 knots with gusts to around 35 knots. Mostly clear. Waves 3 to 4 feet building to 4 to 7 feet. Thursday, southwest wind 20 to 25 knots with gusts to around 35 knots. Sunny. Waves 3 to 6 feet. The midnight weather observations across Wisconsin and nearby states. At Milwaukee, it was cloudy. The temperature was 34 degrees, the dew point 22, and the relative humidity was 61%. The winds were west at 13 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.09 inches and rising. At Kenosha, it was cloudy, and it was 33. In Racine, it was cloudy, and 33. At Waukesha, it was cloudy, and 32. In West Bend, it was cloudy. The temperature was 32. At Madison, snow flurries were reported, and 32. In the Dells, it was cloudy, and 28. At La Crosse, it was cloudy, and it was 23. At Dubuque, it was cloudy, and it was 30. In Waterloo, it was clear and 28. In Green Bay, it was partly cloudy, and 24. At Eagle River, snow flurries were reported. The temperature was 14. At South Bend, it was clear, and 27. In Chicago, it was partly cloudy, and 30. At St. Louis, it was clear, and 29. At Des Moines, it was clear, and 30. At the Twin Cities, it was partly cloudy, and 12. Once again, at Milwaukee, it was 34, under cloudy skies. A few marine observations. At the Sheboygan Lakeshore, the air temperature was 30. The winds were west, at 5 knots. The water temperature was 40. At the Port Washington Lakeshore, the air temperature was 33. The winds were west, at 8 knots, gusting to 13. At McKinley Marina, the air temperature was 35. The winds were west, at 13 knots, gusting to 16. At the Kenosha Harbor, the air temperature was 34. The winds were southwest, at 12 knots, gusting to 18.
Here's the weather summary for Wisconsin and northern Illinois. South winds will bring milder air into Wisconsin for the rest of the work week. Weak low pressure will pass just north of Lake Superior early Thursday, increasing the cloud cover mainly in the north. Low pressure will develop in the lee of the Rockies Friday and track northeast towards northern Illinois or southern Wisconsin on Saturday. This will bring precipitation back to Wisconsin, especially Saturday and Saturday night. It appears mainly rain will fall southeast, with a snow and rain mix central and mainly snow northwest. Tuesday night, lows mainly 0 to 5 northwest to the upper teens and low 20s southeast. Wednesday, highs around 30 north to the upper 30s and low 40s south.
Here is the forecast for the open waters of Lake Michigan. Gale watch in effect from this afternoon through Thursday afternoon. For the south half of Lake Michigan, rest of tonight, west winds to 30 knots diminishing to 20 to 25 knots by morning. Snow showers likely. Waves 8 to 11 feet subsiding to 6 to 9 feet. Wednesday, west winds 15 to 20 knots becoming southwest 20 to 25 knots in the morning. Then becoming south and increasing to gale to 35 knots in the afternoon. Waves 5 to 8 feet occasionally to 12 feet. Wednesday night, south gale to 35 knots becoming southwest. Waves 5 to 8 feet building to 8 to 12 feet. Thursday, southwest gale to 35 knots diminishing to 30 knots wind. Waves 8 to 12 feet.